Good morning, children. Today we are going to see 6th English Term 2, Unit 1, Prose 1, Sports Stars. Children, before going to the topic, let's recall the previous sections. Okay, children, first let's see the section 1. In this section, we are going to see about Mithali Dorairaj. This is Mithali Dorairaj. One day, the teacher reads a diary account of a schoolboy. This schoolboy loves cricket. But the schoolboy had never let his sister to play cricket. One day, his teacher tells him about Mithali Dorairaj. She is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team. The boy was surprised to hear from his teacher that Mithali started to play cricket from the age of 10. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. Her mother tongue is Tamil. She is the highest run scorer and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in one-day internationals. She is also the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. Consecutive means one after another. She is nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. She is nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. Mithali said that being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Privilege means honor. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. Children, she actually started playing cricket with her brother. When Mithali was young, she used to go with her father to the ground where her brother practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start at the age of 10. Mithali gradually managed to secure a place for herself in the field of cricket. Children, many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are equal to men in every field. The Government of India recognized her contribution to cricket and awarded her the Padma Shri. Children, recently in the second Women's T20 International, Mithali led her side to a comfortable 9-wicket victory with an unbeaten 76 runs. So finally, the boy was so inspired by Mithali. And then he changes his attitude and allowed his little sister to play cricket. Children, now let's see the section 2. Children, in this section, we are going to see about Usha Rani. This is Usha Rani. Usha Rani is a cop cum Kabaddi champion. Cop means police officer. She was from poor town of Subendrapalaya in Yeshwanthpur near Bangalore in Karnataka. Usha Rani to fulfill her mother's dream. Usha Rani practiced Kabaddi from her young age. As a school child, she grew up watching Kabaddi at a club in front of her house and soon joined the club and started playing Kabaddi Because of her hard work, soon she started playing kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. Category means division. Children, whenever she was not playing kabaddi, Usha Rani used to sell flowers for her daily living and to support her family. Support means help. She had to struggle hard all through her life until she became the youngest cop in the Karnataka State Police Force. At the age of 29, she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. Usha Rani has also become a role model to her brothers, sisters, and other fellow sports persons. Children, now we are going to see about PV Sindhu. This is PV Sindhu. Children, the word badminton will instantly bring PV Sindhu in everyone's mind. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women's single category. Shuttlers means badminton players. Shuttlers means badminton players. Category means division. Category means division. She started playing badminton at the age of 8. Though her parents were professional volleyball players, PV Sindhu chose badminton over volleyball because she drew inspiration from the success of Pulele Gopichand in All England Open badminton champion. PV Sindhu joined Gopichand's academy and practiced her training schedules earnestly. She balanced both her passion as well as her academics. Passion means a strong desire. After joining Gopichand's badminton academy, PV Sindhu won several titles. PV Sindhu came to international attention when she broke into the top 20 of the BFW. BFW means Badminton World Federation in September 2012 at the age of 17. Despite PV Sindhu being busy with her training schedules and international tournaments, she managed to attend regular school until class 9. Later, she continued her studies through correspondence. And she balanced both her passion as well as her academics. Now, she holds a bachelor's degree in commerce. That means BCom. Children, now let's see the achievements of PV Sindhu. She received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting honor of India, in 2016. She received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the highest sporting honor of India, in 2016. She received Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India, in 2015. She received Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India, in 2015. And she received Arjuna Award in 2013. And she received Arjuna Award in 2013. Children, now we came to an end of the lesson. So, maintain a separate notebook for English. In case of any doubt, make a note of it, which will be clarified on the day of reopening. Children, now let's see the glossary. Commitment, dedication. Instantly, at once. shuttlers, badminton players. Reflection, thought. Seconded, supported. Attitude, outlook. Passion, a strong desire. Now let's see the opposites. Attention, inattention. Win, lose. Top, bottom. Good, bad. Honor, dishonor. Regular, irregular. Children, now let's see the important points. First, Mithali Dorairaj, captain of the Indian women's cricket team, started to play cricket at the age of 10. Highest run scorer to surpass 6,000 run mark in one-day internationals. Nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. Proved women are equal to men. Government conferred Padma Shri Award. Next one, Usha Rani. Usha Rani is a Kabaddi champion. As a school child, started to play Kabaddi. She started playing Kabaddi at national in sub-junior category. The youngest cop in the Karnataka State Police Force. She played Kabaddi to fulfill her mother's dream. She won a gold medal in Kabaddi. And the last one, P.V. Sindhu. The badminton players. She started playing badminton at the age of 8. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women's singles category. P.V. Sindhu was inspired by Pulele Gopichand. She holds a bachelor's degree in commerce. She received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri and Arjuna Award. Children, it's time for question. Once again, you can go through the lesson and answer for this evaluation. First one, when did P.V. Sindhu break into the top of the BWF? Second one, when P.V. Sindhu start playing badminton? Third one, what do you know about the parents of P.V. Sindhu? Fourth one, whom did P.V. Sindhu draw inspiration from? Fifth one, what were the awards conferred on P.V. Sindhu by the Indian government?